came up against Barry Smith last season, John. What do you make of the situation he's found himself in Dundee this season?
Yeah, quite awkward. Because they were in the first division and building a team for the first division, and then very late in the day, they get a chance to get into the SPL, and then it's different building a team for the first division to win the first division and to compete in the SPL, as has been seen. So it's probably been a difficult start for him. Yeah. But however, we one of the games that we have lost has been to Dundee, so we can't feel too sympathetically towards Dundee, because we've got to go and make amends for the game that we lost to Tynecastle earlier in the season.
Does it surprise you that that's still the only win that Dundee have got? I mean, 4 points, the 3 of them came at Tynecastle. Yeah,
well, obviously, again, we lost a goal within the first 2 minutes of the game, and it gave Dundee something to fight for, and we missed a penalty, and loads of things went against us on that particular day with regards to the fact that we didn't score and didn't beat them. So we can only rectify that, and it's only what you can do, on that particular day. We let ourselves down to a certain extent. So you can say Dundee's taking 1 point out of other games, so it's probably no pretty reading from Dundee's point of view. We've just really got to focus on the fact that you can see. You don't have to be the brains of Britain to look at Heart-Rolling Football Club's performances against Liverpool, against Celtic, against Dundee United twice at Tannadice, against Motherwell. These are the teams that finished with Liverpool, or Liverpool as we know. Celtic won the league, Dundee United and Motherwell finishing 3rd and 4th. We've dropped points against Inverness and Ross Counties and Dundee's. So, we have to make sure that we're picking up points against, these teams, and not just kind of rising to the challenge of if you want, what was something along the lines of a top 4, if you want,